Hi, I'm Anand Chaudhary, an 8th grader from John F. Kennedy Middle School, and today I want to talk about what calculus is. A majority of people think calculus is a set of rules you use to solve problems and use them in different situations. But in reality, calculus is a lot more than just that. So if you think that's what it is, you are completely off. Let's start off with some basics on what calculus is or was. Calculus was originally called infinitesimal calculus, but it's not really a fun word to say. So people shortened it down over time to just the word calculus. Though infinitesimal calculus is still technically the real name of calculus, people just shortened it down so you don't have to say the really long word. Calculus is a really general word. In fact, those calculators you use are basically named off calculus. Calculus is such a basic word, general word, that in the 1960s, if you used to say the word, it usually meant mathematics itself. Now, calculus is a Latin word, and it's a Latin word for small pebble. Now, small pebbles used to be used for like measuring all sorts of things, and basically were used just for mathematics itself. And a man even like put pebbles on rows and called it an abacus. Now, it may have a lot of correlation to calculus, or even little correlation to calculus, but these little pebbles are basically calculus, and calculus is basically built off probably the fundamentals of what they used those little pebbles for. Now, there are so many different types of maths, like geometry and probability. When you think of what those are, when you think of geometry, you think of shapes. When you think of probability, you think of chance. What is calculus? Calculus is the math of all things that change, which is a really important thing to know, because if you're just going to go do the course without actually knowing that, you're going to have no context of what you're actually doing. Now that you know it, you might actually have an idea of what you're probably doing. When you're just finding the derivative of that curve, you actually have an idea of what you're going to do now. I hope, at least. There were two founders, or creators of calculus. They both created calculus at around the same time, but they didn't work together. They were in different countries. One you're probably really familiar with. His name is Isaac Newton. The other one, on the other hand, was Gottfried Leibniz. And they both are probably pretty famous for actually creating calculus itself. Now that's a basic history on calculus. What can calculus actually be used for in real life? Because people are always asking, why should I do calculus? This is like the boringest thing in the world. I'm never going to need it. Well, actually, people use calculus in engineering and economics and physics and many more things in the world. Those are just a few that I could name on the top of my head. Well, I hope this is a good thing. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand what calculus really is. And I hope this encourages you to actually do the course. Now, over the next few months and weeks, I'm probably going to start uploading calculus videos so that people can actually understand what calculus is. I hope this video really helped you, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit a like on the video. Thanks.